So technically this might be the last time you guys see me in this car. First, what we're going to be doing is removing the bumper. Perfect. Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I think I'm going to be selling my Taran TC. I'm going to list it up for sale and let's see if we can find a buyer. So nothing is wrong with the car, it's just that I needed something as a manual. I do have a crack on the windshield. That's the only bad thing about the car, but besides that, everything works. There's no leaks, no nothing. It has 153,000 miles on it. I've owned this car for about 5-6ish months, and it's been super great. Like, the gas mileage has been really good. It's super reliable, and yeah, and I don't have to spend much for the maintenance. But yeah, it's gonna be super sad selling it, but guess what? I'm gonna go buy it better daily, and I'm really excited to tell you guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but once I buy it and have the car at home, I will literally make a video and let you guys know. Bruh, California with this gas prices, this regular ass 87 for $3.99, bruh. Shit got me fucked up. And not gonna lie, I actually want a sedan. I've been buying coupes a lot. Like, these past few years I just had coupes, something that I can put my family in the back. I mean, I still can right now. It's just that it's a hustle, like putting the seats back and then putting the seats front again, especially if you're like at a grocery shop, and it's just like a lot of work. So technically this might be the last time you guys see me in this car. I know it's a little sad, but like, just wait. Man, I'm gonna miss this car so much. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's alright. Alright, so we made it back home. I have to show you guys. Look what Billy did, my puppy. While this box was sitting here. Seems like he's a rat. So I'm gonna try to carry the intercooler downstairs. I'm gonna try putting it on today. If not, I'll probably finish it tomorrow. Alright, I'm gonna just jack up both of the sides and just lift the front. First, what we're going to be doing is removing the bumper first, and I'm going to work on the undercarriage first. Alright, step one, you first take these clips off that are right there on that side. They're on both sides. They're just clips. I'm just using this to pry them off. I already took this one off. There you go. Next, what you're gonna do for undercarriage is there's two bolts in the middle. They're about right here, 1 and 2. Those are 7mm. I got my wrench right here, 7mm. So yeah, let's just take them off. Next, there are some 7mm screws right here, in these slots. Alright, so the undercarriage came off. So what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna take this upper cover off First, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to take these clips off. So there's one over there, a few over here. I already took that one off because I was trying to see if I can do it with my flathead screwdriver. There's some over there. Okay guys, I did take those two parts off. I was about to take this my front bumper off. This was the last step where the wheel is. I did take those out, but honestly I can't really see anything. My light is not bright enough. I was gonna wait for tomorrow morning, but it's already getting late, so what I'm gonna do is just conclude the video right here. And then next video, I'll just pretty much just make a whole video just replacing the intercooler. Honestly, you guys, I was not even expecting myself to put on the intercooler today or even work on my car. I was just gonna sell the Silent TC and just put it up on for sale and just let you guys know. I just had like a couple hours of spare time, so I was just like, why not just try to put it on, lift the car up, and just start the progress of the intercooler installation.